Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add an extra bar just above the taskbar in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as WinBar, and the first list you will see the official website. Just click on it. Now just click on download to download this application. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So first double click it to run this software installer. Click on OK, click on next, click on accept, click on next, click on next, click on install. Click on finish and wait for a few seconds. So now you can see a white straight line bar appearing on the top of the computer screen, as you can see here. So you can see here just written, click here to configure plugins. Just click on it. Now just below the plugins you can see here WinBar multimedia pack, so you can just click on it and just click on this loaded. Now select the various options. Now click on active. Now you can see here the volume control bar is appearing on the top bar. Now you can select the win name control also and click on active if you want to edit. And there is more WinBar system info pack. Just click on it. Now click on this loaded. Now there are tons more options like battery monitor, so just click on it. One of this option, click on active. Once again click on the CPU status, click on active. Similarly do the same thing with the rest of the options if you want to enable those. So we have enabled all the options present inside this plugins options. So you can see here tons of various options appearing on the respective bar. Now if you want to place this bar just above the taskbar, what you can do is you can see here general options. Just click on it. Now here you can see the position. So by default it will be placed on the top. Now just click on this bottom. Now it will be placed just above the taskbar, and here you can get a various options here depending upon the alignments where you want to align those various options. Here you can align it on left, right, justify, center depending upon your needs. You can align module style, whatever style you want to select and get here, and you can set it for different monitors also. If you have a dual triple monitors you can select it, and you can also make it auto hide just by enabling it and click on OK. And you can change the opacity also. If you want the opacity to make it translucent or transparent, you can make it depending upon your needs, and you can set the portable of this software also. So these are the options you're gonna get inside the general, and you can control some options also, like if you want to increase or decrease the volume, then you can just click on this option and you can just drag it with your mouse. As you can see here, you can increase or decrease the volume. You can click on the respective drives also to open the respective drives. So you can see here, and if you want to rearrange this various options, then just click on this plugins and select the respective options, say volume control. And now you can see here on the right side one left and right arrow icon. You can just click on it. Now you can see in the bottom below it's moving to the right direction. If you want to place it on the left direction again, you can just click on it and it will be placed. So for different options there will be a left and right options, and there are more options that you can check out by yourself. So these are the options you're gonna get inside this application settings. So if you want to disable or exit this application, just place your mouse cursor above this extra bar and just right mouse click on it, and now you can see here exit. Just click on it. It will get exit. So by using this application named as WinBar, you can easily add an extra bar just above the taskbar in any Windows computer very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.